In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download TeamViewer Host app on Android. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You will see the colorful logo of the Play Store on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap on it to launch the application. This is the primary source for all apps on Android, ensuring you have access to the latest and most secure versions. Once the Play Store is open, you will notice various categories and featured apps. This is where you can explore countless applications, but today we have a specific goal in mind: downloading TeamViewer Host. Now in the search bar at the top of the Play Store, type TeamViewer Host. The search bar is easily identifiable and allows you to find any app quickly. As you begin typing, suggestions may appear below the bar. It's essential to type the name accurately to ensure you find the correct app. Once you see TeamViewer Host appear in the search results, it confirms you are on the right track. This quick search saves you time and helps you avoid confusion with other apps that might have similar names. From there, select TeamViewer Host by TeamViewer. You will recognize it by its distinct logo. Tapping on it will take you to the app's page, where you can see more details about the app. Here you will find information such as user ratings, reviews, and screenshots of the app in action. This is important because it helps you understand what the app offers before you download it. You want to ensure that you are getting a reliable application that meets your needs. Next up, tap Install. This button is usually green and located near the top of the screen. Once you tap it, the download will begin and you might see a progress bar indicating the download status. This step is crucial because it initiates the process of having TeamViewer Host on your device. You can watch the bar fill up, reassuring you that the app is on its way to being installed. After that, wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. You will see a notification once the installation is finished, indicating that the app is now ready to use. It's a good idea to be patient during this step, as rushing can lead to interruptions. You will appreciate the quick installation process once you see the app ready to go. At this point, tap Open. This action will launch the TeamViewer Host app directly from the Play Store. Alternatively, you can find it on your home screen or app drawer later. Opening the app right away ensures you can start the setup process immediately, which streamlines your experience. You will be greeted with the app's welcome screen, guiding you through the next steps. Now sign in with your TeamViewer account, or create one if needed. If you already have an account, enter your credentials. If you are new to TeamViewer, you can easily create an account within the app. This step is vital because it allows you to access all the features of TeamViewer Host. Signing in or creating an account ensures your data is secure and accessible from any device. Finally, grant the requested permissions such as accessibility, screen recording, notifications, and others to enable unattended remote access. You will be prompted to allow these permissions for the app to function correctly. This is a crucial step because granting permissions allows TeamViewer to operate without interruptions. It ensures you can access devices remotely, making your workflow much more efficient. By following these steps, you have successfully downloaded and set up the TeamViewer Host app on your Android device. Well done! You are now ready to take full advantage of remote access capabilities.